How to hide screenshots in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, take some screenshots like that, and then open your photos library. Now here you can see your screenshots, and if you want to hide your screenshots, then simply swipe down, and in media type you can see the option screenshots. Now click on it. Now here you can see all your screenshots, and if you want to hide your screenshots in all photos, then simply click on these two arrows and then click on view options. Now here you can see the option screenshots. Now click on screenshots and unselected your screenshots. Your screenshots will be hidden. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.